Now, Aerodance track. Let's start with poses. Punch up. Go up. Push. Circle and feet together. The other side. Go up. Very good. 3 fast lunges. Go. March. Yes. One more time. Very good. We have to add jump, mambo, and stop. Watch. Jump, mambo, stop, and hold on. One more time. Go. Yes. Very good. Perfect. One more time. We have to add spider now. Spider. Yes. Again. Very easy. Spider. And now move to the lateral. Move. Yes, diagonal and spider. Woo! Very good. Move. Diagonal and spider. Now arms down and up. Down, down, up. Yes, open and close. One more time. Down, down, up. Open and close. Repeat. 3 lunges. Jump. Diagonal. Last time. Very good. Second part. To balance. March. Great. Repeat again. Give me 2. March. You got it. Now give me 2 marches and mambo. Mambo. Very easy. Again, give me 2. March 2, mambo. Now arms and turn second. Turn. Yes. One more time. Give me 2. Turn. Are you ready from the top? Lunge. Go. Up. Diagonal. Spider. Second part. Give me 2. Turn. Mambo. Yes. One more time. Go. Diagonal. Second part. Very good. Second again, and we have to add more. Step, keep change. Step, keep change. One more time. Okay, step, keep change. Watch now. Remember the arm from the beginning. Go up, push. Good. Go up, push. Last time. Watch now. Go up. March, cross. Double. Very good. Go up. Step march. Like beginning. Stop. Go up. Push. Circle. The other side. Yes. Are you ready from the top? Lunge. Jump. Mambo. Diagonal. Very good. Give me 2. Turn. Go up. Hip. Step cross. From the top. Woo! Very good. Second part. Yes. One more time. This is your last. Perfect. To here. Be ready to turn. Mambo. Go up. Push. Step cross. Final pose.